Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the center flapper hinge cap on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a putty knife, and a mallet. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the center flapper hinge. Use the mallet to tap the bottom of the flapper to help detach. Pull the wire harnesses out and depress the tabs to disconnect the two wire harness connectors. Next, use the putty knife to pry out the flapper heater. Now use the small flathead screwdriver to separate the inner flapper panel from the outer panel. Remove the foam inserts. You can now unthread the screw to release the old center hinge cap. To install the new center flapper hinge cap, align the cap tabs with the holes in the panel, then thread the screw to secure. Replace the foam inserts. Confirm the rubber grommet is in place on the bottom of the inner flapper panel. Then align the inner panel with the outer panel and snap it into position. Realign the flapper heater and snap it into place. Reinstall the flapper by first connecting the two wire connectors. Push the wire harnesses into the inner liner, then align the upper and lower hinges on the liner mounting posts and slide the flapper down. Rethread the two screws to secure the center hinge. Plug the power cord back in. and the refrigerator should be ready for use.